In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable. Let's start on your Airtable dashboard. Go ahead and log in, and you'll land on the main screen where all your work lives. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. By default, you're in the Home section. This is like your landing page. It shows recent items and things you've been working on. So it's a great place to quickly pick up where you left off. At the very top of that left menu, you'll see an icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click this icon to collapse or expand the menu. Collapsing it gives you more screen space to work on your bases. Expanding it makes it easier to navigate, so switch between the two depending on what you're doing. Just below Home, you'll see the starred section. Anything you mark with a star will appear here. Use this to keep your most important or frequently used bases and interfaces only a click away. Next, you'll find the Shared section. This is where bases and interfaces that other people have shared with you will show up. If you're collaborating with a team, this section becomes especially helpful because you can quickly jump into shared work without hunting through your own workspace. Below that is Workspaces. Click the little expandable icon to reveal all the workspaces you have access to. Workspaces are like folders or containers for different teams, clients, or projects. To add a brand new workspace, click the plus icon. This is useful for separating areas of your work, for example, personal projects versus client work. At the very bottom of the left column, you'll see the import option. When you click this, you can bring in data from other tools or files. Use the drop-down to choose which workspace you want to import that data into, so it lands in the right place from the start. Now, from Home or your workspace list, click on one of your bases to enter it. Inside the base, you'll see different views. Click on Grid View to open the classic spreadsheet style layout. From here, you can configure how the view behaves. You can choose whether it's collaborative or locked, rename the view, edit its description, duplicate it, copy another view's collaboration settings, download it as a CSV, print the view, or delete it. These options give you a lot of control over how people see and use your data. If you need a different perspective, click on Create New to create a brand new view. This is perfect when you want filtered lists, different sorting, or focused views for specific team members without changing the main grid. Look to the top left corner for the Omni icon. Clicking this opens Airtable's AI assistant, which you can prompt to help you work inside your base. You might use it to summarize information, generate fields, or guide setup, depending on what features are available to you. Now, look along the top tabs of your base. You'll see options like automations, interfaces, forms, and more. Click on the automations tab to switch into automation mode. Here you can set up rules like when a record changes, send an email, or create a new record automatically. To start, click on Create New to create a new automation and follow the guided setup. Next, click on Interfaces. Interfaces let you build cleaner, more visual front ends for your data, like dashboards or tracking screens. Click on New Interface to create one. You can use this for things like data tracking, executive summaries, or simple views for people who don't need the full base. Then click on the Forms tab. Forms let you collect information directly into your base. Click on Forms to create a new form, customize the fields, and then share the link so others can submit data that flows right into the grid. Once everything looks good, use the Share button at the top to share your base with collaborators. You can control who has access and what level of permissions they get. Finally, when you're ready to make what you've built available for use, click on Launch. This takes your configuration live, so your automations, interfaces, and forms